My name is Aditya. I have completed my bachelor's in computer science and currently working on my research work based on artificial intelligence. Till now, I've published 9 research papers. Also received Best Youngest Researcher Award under 25 years age category. During my BTech period, I participated in various competitions where I came in third in academic project at a first and second year project competition conducted by my university with collaboration with companies like IBM. Also worked as a team and cleared rounds of DRDO Druce competition. I wanted to expand my skills beyond technical like leadership and management, as these are also important when working in an industry. Therefore, wanted to pursue an MBA and so thought of giving GMAT. First is creating a steady plan, setting goals and creating timeline, then practicing questions as much as possible and giving mocks, then adjusting the study plan according to the current performance. When practicing GMAT level questions, all questions seems correct. Eliminating the wrong answers was a challenging task. This is where most of my error occurred. For doing any quant or verbal, make sure you focus on 700 plus level questions, because if you practice the difficult ones, easy ones will be automatically solved by you. Everyone is mostly focusing on quants when giving GMAT, but it's the verbal part which will make your score to 700 and above. First thing. Second thing is to make sure you set a timer before solving any questions. For RC, you should complete reading a passage within 3 minutes. So it's best that you set a timer in your mobile phone or your watch for 3 minutes and try to complete that RC passage within that time frame. VerbalHub showed a great support during my GMAT preparation by creating a strategic approach to tackle GMAT questions and scheduling doubt sessions whenever needed. And its ready material also gave me an idea about GMAT level questions.